Good morning. So recently, the President of America, Mr. Donald Trump, with his wife Melania and her daughter Ivanka Trump visited to India. They were welcomed by Mr. Narendra Modi at the Ahmedabad airport, and from there they drove to Monterrey Stadium in Ahmedabad. Thousands of people gathered at the stadium to welcome Mr. Donald Trump. There, Mr. Donald Trump gave a speech appreciating Indians and Mr. Modi. From there, Donald Trump with his wife Melania and her daughter Ivanka Trump visited to Agra and saw Taj Mahal. They really loved Taj Mahal as Mr. Donald Trump tweeted. From there, Ivanka Trump visited to Delhi and saw Delhi schools, Delhi government schools, and really loved the happiness curriculum which was implemented in the Delhi government school. After the visit, Mr. Donald Trump tweeted that he loved the Indian crowd and really wants to come again to India.